So once you've selected it, just click Solve. Hello. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Edge's new feature. It was released in 2021 and it's called the Microsoft Math Solver. Now there's been an app on Android by the same name. However, this Math Solver in Microsoft Edge is still in preview. So we can expect it to get better or maybe even be removed from Microsoft Edge, which I don't expect to happen. So how do you get to Math Solver? It's a side panel that comes up, but I'll show you right now how you get to it. If you go up to the three dots up in the right-hand side corner, go down to Tools, More Tools, and then slide across to the Math Solver option. There's also Cite This, which is very cool, but click on Math Solver, and then you should get the side panel. So first, I started off with basic equations. So how does this handle basic equations? Well, this gives you solution steps, pretty much everything for basic equation. When you go into something like a derivative, something more complex, like the derivative of x squared, it only shows you, I was wrong. Some derivatives don't show up, but this one does have a set of solution steps, which is interesting. So that could be possibly what they're trying to improve in the app. I wouldn't know. You may already know this, but there's a derivative solver and the same thing for an integral solver online. This gives you all the steps, so if you need to learn how to do a derivative, definitely check this out. It would be amazing if this is integrated into Microsoft Math Solver, however. So you get your recommended videos, and if you click on Show, if we click on Show More Learning Content down at the bottom here, we get an entire page of information. So lots of examples of different things that the calculator can do, limits. This is useful, related concepts. It gives you worksheets that you can use to work on your skills if you were unable to do the problem. Similar problems from web search. So this is quite useful and one of the best I've seen, at least that's free, because I haven't paid for any math solvers. I know Wolfram Alpha can also compute a lot of things, but it doesn't focus so much on teaching. This seems to have a big focus on teaching. So one incredibly useful feature is the quiz feature. So I just put in a simple example. It appears to separate it into a topic and then give you questions that are similar in that topic. So yeah, just get a bunch of algebra, straightforward questions. Finally, I want you to bring your attention to the top right-hand corner where it says Select Maths Problem. Now, if you have textbooks open in Microsoft Edge or you're doing online homework and you need help, select Maths Problem. This is a bit redundant, but I'm going to use the problem in Microsoft Math Solver. So once you've selected it, just click Solve. Should appear in the right-hand side panel. And there you go. Now, with a lot of improvement and kind of seeing what the other apps are doing, such as the free integral and derivative calculators online, I think the developers of this add-on, Edge add-on, could make this an incredible learning tool. It could be the best free all-in-one learning tool up to a certain level of difficulty in its current state. that has been the review of Microsoft Math Solver, and I hope to see more of this feature in the future. See ya.